You start.
Do it. Just go ahead.
Okay. Welcome to our vlog. I'm Katie.
I'm Amanda.
I'm Cassie.
I'm Tiffany.
I'm Ariel.
And we're the newbies. We get to meet our bigs today. Are y'all excited?
Yeah.
Who do you think yours is?
Abby. I've been saying that this whole time.
Who do you think yours is? Who do you think yours is? I don't know. Maybe Trinity, Kirsten, or Tabby.
That's what I was thinking. I don't know. I don't have a good guess.
Okay.
Oh God. Let me get my phone.
Look at Okay, so today we are vloggers. All by ourselves.
Yes. In the car.
With our GoPro. We're going to Callaway, so check out our YouTube channel.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love.
Hello angels, I hope your day is going amazing. If you are new, thank you for clicking on this channel, and if you are coming back, then welcome back. I appreciate all of you. I'm starting the video the day before I'm gonna record everything, just because we have practice tomorrow and I have my gift right there. We are revealing our bigs and littles tomorrow at Callaway. We're going to the cabins to end off our preseason, so that's gonna be really fun. I think I'm gonna give the girls the GoPro so they can record themselves as they're going through like all the little adventures, and I don't even know what to call it, like hints and stuff to get to us. The way we are doing it is we bought our littles the same matching shirts as us, so when they find us, they're gonna, you know, see their shirt and know who their big is. We got their gifts and they got us gifts, but they don't know who they have yet. They just got a list of stuff that we like. So yeah, I'm just starting this now so I won't forget to do it tomorrow, because we're gonna go to practice and then get ready to leave to go to Callaway right after practice. I'm currently charging the GoPro on the floor, and that's a basket of clean clothes that I have not folded that I need to fold. So yes, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's bright. We about to pack up the car. The girls have the GoPros, so I'm a little nervous to see what they record, but
Looking at her, she hit the floor. Thinking he's a player, he's a member on the team.
Tommy, you want to turn up for the vlog?
Am I good? I think so. This is the cabin. I hope we're in the right spot.
You can leave it open anywhere you want. Ooh, this is cute.
Oh, we fancy.
Hey, Coach.
Can't forget, this is Kayla.
Hello.
Whoa. Look at this light. Perfect TikTok light.
Perfect for TikToks. Trinity, we're coming for you. They need to put their gifts up.
Yeah, they need to put it in like a closet somewhere. And then they need to hide in a bedroom.
This is cute. Okay. Are they in that room?
Yes.
Watch this.
On this table, or we can set them around. Wait, okay, so I'm confused. So we're setting them out and
Here are gifts for our littles. Ew. That's my little.
you put the shirts like in it too?
I put mine outside of it. This is Tavi's. I don't know what she has in here. Ooh, what you got in here?
And they've all flew
What's
out.
this?
So,
It's fearless.
Oh, you
Ooh.
looking at mine? Would you like to see?
Yes, let me see.
You can take a sneak.
Oh wait,
Sneak.
text Katie and tell her to record theirs on the GoPro, like their little gifts.
And a blanket and a cup.
Let me see.
You get her. She likes
Hold on, wait.
mac and cheese. She put that on her list. Mac and cheese, donuts.
Oh, is this a blanket?
Yes.
Nice. That looks like my hair towel.
All messed up.
We're about to change into our shirts. Oh, my leg hurts so bad. Girls.
Oh, hold on, let me get in. Tie it up or something.
Oh my gosh, why?
She's okay, let me try it. Lord can't show any skin.
I'm finally in the vlog. I love it. Hi. That's my shirt. What about?
Hey, coach. Hey, y'all, it's your girl, Tavi the Stallion.
Tavi the Stallion. I'm
Here,
weak.
Pooh. Hope y'all like our shirts.
Katie, did you show your shirt?
Alright, let's hide.
Ooh. We're gonna go and get our hiding spots now, so when they find us. Okay, so the first thing they have to do is go to the room and get their shirts.
Just want to hide up under the one that they're getting all their stuff.
You got scared? We all can't hide in the same spot. I don't know. Look at Abby. She's so ugly. Abby. Oh my gosh. It's so cute in here. Lord. Okay, she's hiding up under the sink.
I don't know where to go.
Grace, do you need help? Oh my god, don't break it. They're gonna see you because it's gonna. There we go. Good stuff. Alright, where am I gonna hide? They're about to come find us. I have the perfect spot to see all of them coming up the stairs. I just scared my coach. She opened the closet door and she didn't know I was in here. They're about to come upstairs. Oh my god, okay.
Katie Brett, girls unite, yes. Blue, woo, little flowers. Oh no.
I'm gonna scream when I find my person because it's gonna scare me.
Oh, indeed.
Hello. Who else found their big? Katie. Oh. Are y'all lost?
I'm not gonna hide and seek, so I'm about to suck at this.
Oh Lord. Did you look at all the rooms upstairs? Yeah. Are you sure?
No.
No? I mean.
Don't trick me like that. We already looked in here like twice.
Did we really? I suck.
Oh!
You're the only person that can fit one of those.
All right, let's find her big. Let's go. Right. I don't know. Are you gonna go downstairs? Cassie, she's lost.
Cold. You're very cold. You're ice cold. Like Antarctica. Ice cold. Okay. Alright, you're getting warm. You are scorching.
Oh my Lord. I didn't even. The queen. All right. Also, it was open, so I was like, maybe it's like telling me who you are.
I'm about to say, if you would have looked it down there.
Oh, everybody's going through their gifts. They're good. I see.
Did you see your gift, Trin?
Huh? From her? Not yet. I almost went to the store and bought a coat. I got a, there's another layer under the blue.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. It was like this one.
Oh my gosh. On you? Yes.
Oh, y'all can say that one too. Let's look at it right here.
I just brought it in. Backstory, she said she didn't know who her big was, so she was just gonna write random stuff, so. Yes. Sprite. My favorite drink.
Trinity, you're my big. I took the GoPro. Let's go to the mirror. Yes, I'm a vlogger now since my big sister is a vlogger. And I'm Sarah. Okay, but Trinity's my big sister. Okay, but guess what? What? I'm gonna be YouTube famous one day. Girl, me too. Yeah. All right, everybody. Second pose. What do you think? Oh my god, that was so slow. Let's try again. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, Tommy coming in. Okay, Tommy. Who's your big? God. Jesus. That was a good one.
Y'all look at Sarah. You're lucky it's blurred.
Hello.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
What am I doing?
She just brushed her teeth. Why are you looking like that? We're doing a talent show now, and it was supposed to be Big Sis and Little Sis on the team, but they want to do newbies versus Obies, so we about to get.
Okay, so I'm just gonna send you 2 videos, and you pick the best one. Okay. Okay. Love you. Bye.
What's happening?
Are you editing? Yeah. All this good old photographs.
So the winner is the newbies.
Yes.
All right.
She's gonna have to die. Katie, get off of me.
All right. This is why. Okay. So I sent the first video. She said I am dying. Send the second. I sent it. She said LOL. She said I cannot keep my cool in the second one. She said second is the winner. And I said, okay, why? They will want an explanation. And then I said ours would have won back in the day. That's true. And then she said 1, because I couldn't stop laughing, and they used the most creativity. And 2, I'm mad at the girls in the first video because they can twerk better than me.
Wow, that's not fair.
That's why we're jealous because we're doing the hot girl summer.
Oh, my stomach.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did.